I'm a ribbed and weary snake, a slow geometric sweep, swallowed a hair clip. For goodness sake, a thank you note I couldn't keep. A neon gummy bear, a faded dream, floating through this chlorinated stream. This pool remembers every splash, the chlorine trails they left behind. A million moments in a flash, echoes of a different kind. I cleaned the whole ocean, and you still won't swim, tracing perfect lines on a whim. I scrubbed the deepest blue for you, but you never come. Now the lane lines on my own, my handwriting on the floor. This quiet work, I've made it known. I've never loved a task before 5 a.m. The peach sky glows, this is the only life I know. This pool remembers every splash, the chlorine trails they left behind. A million moments in a flash, echoes of a different kind. I cleaned the whole ocean, and you still won't swim, tracing perfect lines on a whim. I scrubbed the deepest blue for you, but you never come. The pump hums low, a distant drone. A wind chime whispers in the breeze. This lonely world is all I own. Beneath the pale and waking trees, reflections flicker, TV's eyes, silent, empty, peach pink sky. I cleaned the whole ocean, and you still won't swim, tracing perfect lines on a whim. I scrubbed the deepest blue for you, but you never come.